I used to think the silence was the safest place to land. Now it feels like every thought is sitting heavy in my hands. I try to breathe around it, but the air won't let me through. It's like the quiet learned my name and started asking what I'm gonna do. Pressure and the stillness that I never felt before. Every heartbeat sounds like footsteps pacing just outside my door. I keep waiting for the moment where the quiet feels like home, but the truth keeps getting louder when I'm sitting here alone. Sounds quiet anymore, not the floorboards, not my breathing, not the thoughts I keep repeating. It's like the room is leaning in, waiting for me to break first. I didn't come here for answers, I didn't come here to hide. I just need a space to feel